i-full screen mo. I-full screen mo. Full screen kaya yan. Ayun na, pindutin mo lang yung green. Kundi, pindutin mo yung green. Ulit. Uy, parang gagi. Ay, mag-vlog ka to eh. Kaya mo, masasama sa vlog to. Laruin mo na maayos. Pindutin niyo yung full screen ah. Full screen. O yan, laro na.
Bakit nasa gitna? Di ba dapat nasa dulo?
Daw.
Di ko yun. Siyempre ginigita niya para skin.
Signed by Mr. Sebastian Miguel J. Pons, the president of
TIP trip.
And artistic visions of our participants, showcasing a variety of colors, emotions, and stories brought to life.
Along with their wonderful, extraordinary, and downright spectacular creations. Now, before we
This is called upon contestants who have captured the hearts and imaginations of men with their work. With that being said, let us give a round of applause to Mr. Eugene Audrey Pagatu.
Mr.
Miss Audrey.
Amoy Jollibee. Amoy hamburger. Amoy hamburger, te. Hamburger.
let us unleash a thunderous round of applause for Mr. Emmanuel.
Amoy hamburger, amoy Jollibee.
Amoy Starbucks.
Amoy hamburger.
Amoy coffee.
Ayun po yung gawa ni Papa. Yung gawa ni Papa. Oh, mukha mo ng suntukan, no? Natin.
So before we proceed to our next
Wait lang, cheap eh. Mama, ipapa, mama.